So a little while after the tree cracked in half, it is now attempting to somewhat upright itself. I'm not seeing any living parts coming out of it, but this is a whole lot more vertical than it was. Let's look at this and see if we can count tree rings here. Let's look at it. Let's look and see. I'm going through a rough area right in here. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Wow, and here they get little 49, 50, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Ouch. 58, 59, 60, 61, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. And it looks like we have also found a spider.